Hello everyone, welcome to my new course. My name is Raziz Amar, and today the course that we're about to start is trigonometry, right? So basically trigonometry is a Greek word, or it comes from a Greek word which is trigono, which means a triangle, and metron, which means to measure, right? So as from the definition, or as from the word itself, we can see that trigonometry is basically all about triangles. So what we will do is we will be finding out angles for the triangle. We'll be finding out sides for the triangle, how to do that, what is a 90-degree angle, what is a non-equilateral triangle, and isosceles triangle, and how to find their areas as well. So all of that we'll be doing in this course. So this course is very, very important, especially for the O-level students who have finished their lower secondary and going into grade 9th. So from grade 9th, 10th, 11th, that's when you actually start trigonometry and going deep into trigonometry. So it's very, very important. And for the examination point of view, trigonometry is a very important topic, right? So stay tuned with us. Obviously, like every time, if you require any help, if you need any help, please let us know, and we'll be happy to help you whenever possible, right? Thank you very much.